In this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to use UR8.1 software to import the partial settings between the two UR relays. For this demo, I'm using the two setting files of the UR8.1 firmware, but this operation can be applied to the previous UR firmwares as long as they have the same version number. So now let's get started. The prerequisite for this operation is that both setting files should be in the same version. And for this new feature, it started from version 8.1. So we have two setting files all set into the 8.1. I got a D60. All has factory default settings so that the distance, you can see that all disabled. Phase distance. I'm going to now import the UR90, which I have configured phase distance for zones. I'm going to import this only the distance element into D60. So to do that, we need to highlight the UR90 and the right-click mouse. We can see two more new options: export settings and import settings. So for UR90, I'm going to export the setting because it's only for the distance element. I'm going to choose export select element and then choose group 1 distance and phase distance, then click OK. Now it asks to give a name, so you can use the default name, or if you like, put underscore distance. It will be saved as a XML file, and then click save. And for now, we can go to the D60 and import this only the distance setting of the UR90. So right-click mouse and then choose import settings. Now we can choose this XML file and then click open. Okay, so from this setting file, we can see that D60 setting, factory default setting, and UR90, that's enabled setting. And by default, you have this synchronous scrolling checked. That means you can compare the different zones by using the mouse. Or if you want to see only the relay 1, or you just uncheck this synchronous scrolling. So that's the checking, and if you decide to import, just click import all. Okay, so now this is imported into the D60, and you can just save it and click yes. Okay, so now you got this imported. You got a yellow triangle. You just need to upgrade this SCR file. Okay, so now let's open the D60 distance element and check the settings. So now we can see that the distance element updated from the UR90 settings of the distance element. And these options can be used for all the partial settings, including the protection element, the control element, the communication, including the 61850, the flex logic, and again, the prerequisite is that software must in the same version.